Hi guys, my name is Tanya. Today we are going to do the first part of Markov's exercise number 5. I divided this exercise into 4 parts. In the beginning we skip patterns in a bow, we just play notes. In the second part we learn patterns without repetitiveness. In the third part we add repetitiveness. And the last part we add a bow. That's it, let's get started. This exercise we use finger shape with whole intervals between fingers and move it to a half interval up and then back. So the notes are now we add patterns. Now let's add repetitiveness to these patterns. Now let's add the bow. Now we repeat the same for each string. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye. guys, my name is Tanya.